Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. This is a review all about the camping gas stove. Check it out. Okay, it comes in this carrier case. Okay, let me just show you inside. There she is. Look at that bad boy. Hey, how cool is that? Very simple to set up. Perfect. Especially when you're out in the car and you buy some nice little romantic spot and you fancy a nice cup of coffee or even a bacon and egg butty, then that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. Okay guys, I'm just in the back of the car at the moment. Okay, got the boot open and I've got my bacon and I've got my eggs. Oh yes, we're going to make ourselves a nice egg and bacon butty. Okay, this is a great little camping stove, guys. I've used it a few times now. We used it on the beach the other week. But it's a real good bit of kit, and it comes with this carrying case. Although it's a bit of a flimsy plastic thing, it does actually act as a nice windbreaker, which it did on the beach the other day. So you can stand the case on its side there, and it just acts as a nice windbreak while you're cooking those beautiful goodies. Okay, for controls, you've got a locking mechanism here which actually pulls the gas canister, which I'll show you in a second, pulls the gas canister into its port and locks it into place. So then you can turn on the gas, and believe me, this is quite powerful actually, this bit of kit. This is the Campingaz Camp Bistro 2. So I've been pretty pleased with it actually. It's very convenient, very easy to use, very easy to clean as well, guys. So no fatty deposits falling in between runs on a barbecue or anything like that I've had before. It's been great. Okay, so this is where you keep your gas. One normal gas canister, all right, like that. Very nice and simple. You'll notice on the top of the lid there's a bit cut out there. Okay, well that bit that cuts out goes onto this link there. There's the port just there. Okay, so make sure that's in place. Then you'll notice that the link there is in between this cutout. Okay, and then all you do then, guys, is you just press down this button, which then pulls in the canister. You see that? I lift it up, so it disengages it for safety reasons when you're travelling. I'm just going to press this lever down now, which will bring the canister towards into the port. Check it out. Here we go. There you go. You see that move? So now we close the lid and we turn on the gas, and you'll see if you go all the way and then click one more, we've got power. You've got an actually igniter there, so just twist it and you'll hear it click and we have a flame. So away we go. It's on. Just going to warm this pan up now. Oh yes. Oh. It don't get much better than this, guys. And look at the stunning view we have here. See guys, it really does a great job. And look at that. Does it get much better, really? Beautiful. As I say, it's quite powerful, this bit of kit, guys. I'm having to turn the gas down. Hey, that's a good problem to have. Nice and crispy. Turn the gas off. There you go, guys. One egg and bacon butty. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that video of the Campingaz Bistro 2 as seen on Amazon. One of the other things I love about this stove is it's so portable, and keep it in the car, and as we drive around, if we see somewhere really nice, we'll pop to the local supermarket, get some eggs, get some bacon, on she goes. And so wherever you are, wherever you're travelling, you've always got a nice little snack and I'm going to put the kettle on now and make a nice cup of tea on the same stove as well. So the kettle's boiling while I'm enjoying my butty. Don't forget, if you've got any questions or comments, then put them down below. Alright, so take care and we'll see you next time. Bye for now. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, then ring that bell. It'd be great to have you on board.